Imagine an AI model that not only understands your code but writes it, debugs it, and even suggests improvements. A model that processes information twice as fast as its predecessor and sets new industry benchmarks. Welcome to the world of Claude 3.5 Sonnet by Anthropic. What is Claude 3.5 Sonnet? Claude 3.5 Sonnet is Anthropic's latest large language model, part of the Claude 3.5 AI model series. Positioned as the middle model in this series, it outperforms its predecessor, Claude 3 Opus, by a significant margin. It's twice as fast, sets new industry benchmarks, and excels in coding proficiency, reasoning, and knowledge. A leap forward in AI innovation. Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a game changer. Imagine handling intricate customer support scenarios, orchestrating complex workflows, or even recognizing handwriting with remarkable accuracy. This model does it all, and more. Claude 3.5 Sonnet isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a game changer. Anthropic claims that it outperforms competitors like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Meta's Llama 3,400 billion. With advancements in writing and translating code, handling complex workflows, and interpreting charts and graphs, this model is setting new standards. Consider a scenario where a company needs to migrate its legacy systems to modern frameworks. Claude 3.5 Sonnet can translate code between different programming languages, ensuring a seamless transition. Competitive edge and market impact. Anthropic claims Claude 3.5 Sonnet's superiority over rivals like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Meta's Llama. Priced at $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens, it's not only powerful but also cost-effective, democratizing access to advanced AI capabilities. The key improvements in Claude 3.5 Sonnet include better at writing and translating code, handling complex multi-step workflows, and interpreting charts and graphs. Improved ability to understand humor and write in a more human-like way. More accurate text transcription from images, which could be useful for digitizing documents and improving visual accessibility. Anthropic has also focused on improving the trade-off between intelligence, speed, and cost, aiming to make substantial improvements every few months. Claude 3.5 Sonnet outperforms GPT-4, Llama, Gemini 1.5 Pro, and the previous Claude 3 Opus model across a range of benchmarks, including coding skills, logical reasoning, math abilities, and more. On the GSM-8K logical and reasoning test, Claude 3.5 Sonnet correctly answered all 3 questions. In coding challenges of increasing difficulty, Claude 3.5 Sonnet successfully completed tasks like returning the sum of 2 numbers, virtual DAC conversion, and finding a domain name from a DNS pointer. However, it struggled with generating an ECG sequence and Fibonacci sequence. When asked how to break into a car for educational purposes, Claude 3.5 Sonnet refused to provide any information, demonstrating its commitment to safety and ethics. Anthropic claims Claude 3.5 Sonnet is the current state of the art in large language models, outperforming GPT-4 by 5.9% on graduate-level reasoning. Anthropic plans to release additional models, Claude 3.5 Haiku and Claude 3.5 Opus, later this year to further expand its AI capabilities. Claude 3.5 Sonnet's impressive abilities in areas like coding, logical reasoning, and safety, cementing its position as a top contender in the AI industry. The company has also emphasized safety and privacy, with the model undergoing rigorous testing and incorporating feedback from external experts. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is already available for free on the Claude app and through Anthropic's API, with competitive pricing for developers. Anthropic also plans to release additional models, Claude 3.5 Haiku and Claude 3.5 Opus, later this year, further expanding their AI capabilities. 12 practical use cases for Claude 3.5 Sonnet with examples and detailed steps. Claude 3.5 Sonnet can be used for a wide range of applications, such as 1. Creating interactive dashboards for PDFs. Prompt Claude to extract key information, charts, and graphs from a PDF document. Have Claude generate an interactive dashboard using a framework like Plotly Dash or Shiny to visualize the data. Example: extract insights from a research paper on large language model prompting techniques and build an interactive dashboard to explore the findings. 2. Generating 3D simulations and visualizations. Provide Claude with a description of the 3D scene or simulation you want to create. Have Claude generate the code to render the 3D environment using a library like 3.js or Unity. Example: create a 3D simulation of a chemical reaction to visualize the molecular interactions. 3. Detecting objects in real-time video. Prompt Claude to write code that uses a library like OpenCV to perform real-time object detection on a video feed. Have Claude generate the code to draw bounding boxes around detected objects and display the annotated video. Example, build a real-time object detection system to monitor a manufacturing line for quality control. 4. Comparing and analyzing data. Provide Claude with data sets in CSV or Excel format. Have Claude generate visualizations and statistical analyses to compare and draw insights from the data. Example, analyze sales data to identify trends, correlations, and opportunities for improvement. 5. Building web applications. Give Claude a high-level description of the web app you want to create. Have Claude generate the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code to implement the app's functionality. Example, build a web app that allows users to input data and generates interactive charts and reports. 6. Creating mind maps and interactive posters. Prompt Claude to generate a mind map or interactive poster based on a given topic or set of information. Have Claude create the visual layout, add relevant images and icons, and structure the content in a clear and engaging way. Example, create an interactive poster to visualize the key concepts and relationships in a deep learning research paper. 7. Generating 8-bit and 16-bit style images. Provide Claude with a description of the image you want to create in a retro gaming style. Have Claude generate the pixel art image using a library like p5.js or pixie.js. Example, create 8-bit style character sprites for a classic platformer game. 8. Translating code between languages. Give Claude a code snippet in one programming language. Have Claude translate the code to another language while preserving functionality. Example, translate a Python script to JavaScript to run in a web browser. 9. Fixing bugs and adding features to code. Provide Claude with a description of the bug you want to fix or the new feature you want to add to an existing codebase. Have Claude generate the code changes needed to implement the fix or feature. Example, improve the performance of a machine learning model by optimizing the training loop. 10. Generating SEO-optimized content. Give Claude a topic and target keywords for an SEO-friendly article or blog post. Have Claude generate the content, including relevant subheadings, internal links, and meta tags. Example, write a 1,000-word article on the benefits of using AI for content creation that ranks well for the target keywords. 11. Creating 3D models and animations. Provide Claude with a description of the 3D model or animation you want to create. Have Claude generate the code to render the 3D scene and animate the objects using a library like 3.js or Blender. Example, create a 3D animated character that can be used in a game or interactive presentation. 12. Generating prompts for other AI models. Give Claude a description of the task you want to accomplish using another AI model like DALL-E or GPT-3. Have Claude generate a prompt that can be used to instruct the other model to create the desired output. Example, generate a prompt for DALL-E to create a surreal digital art piece inspired by a specific artist's style. These use cases demonstrate the versatility and power of Claude 3.5 Sonnet in generating code, content, and visualizations across a wide range of domains. By providing clear instructions and descriptions, you can leverage Claude's natural language understanding and generation capabilities to automate and enhance various tasks. The model is already available for free on the Claude app and through Anthropic's API, with competitive pricing for developers. Anthropic plans to release additional models, Claude 3.5 Haiku and Claude 3.5 Opus, later this year to further expand its AI capabilities. The future with Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Claude 3.5 Sonnet represents a significant advancement in AI language model capabilities. Its strengths in reasoning, content generation, coding proficiency, and vision interpretation make it a versatile tool for software development, content creation, and beyond. As businesses navigate the complexities of digital transformation, Claude 3.5 Sonnet stands ready to redefine what's possible with AI. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the capabilities and implications of Claude 3.5 Sonnet, paving the way for a smarter, more connected future driven by artificial intelligence. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the world of AI. Visit Claude.ai to explore the full potential of Claude 3.5 Sonnet.